is the biggest radio market in Africa. Byce Broadcast is a system integrator. We chose Lawo because of the technology behind it, a product that you install and you forget about, and the simplicity in the technology while it's so powerful in what it can do. In Kenya, everyone now wants Lawo. What people were spending in other brands was quite a lot compared to what you spend with Lawo. The installation process is quite simple and everything is online and you can be able to do it by yourself. For a first timer, it's not hard. It's pretty easy and pretty fast to get support. It's just an equipment that you install for a client. It's something that you love. It comes with the design, it comes with the technology. IP is the future. Everyone is trying to change their setup. And Lawo is almost 10 years ahead of radio integration and solutions in radio. The future of the radio market is huge. It's growing and is going to be here with us for a very, very long time.